Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite recipe to cook while camping. This is a lettuce wrap. Now if you've had a lettuce wrap before, this is a little different recipe than what you might have had before. I use NOS Mexican rice. I also make taco rice, which is also very good. So what you do is you put the NOS Mexican rice in the bowl. You put it in a pan and put it on the stove for 7 minutes. You put water and butter in it and you stir it with your spoon, and then after that you'll put it over here, and what you'll do is you'll get some sort of pan because it will be hot. If you don't use a plastic plate, you don't need to do this, but if you do, I would suggest something to put it on that's more sturdy than a plate. It will be hot. So after you do that, you get your lettuce. And you pick whatever lettuce you like. So I picked this one. You put it on your plate. You get some rice. Put it on there. And then I add cheese, and you can add whatever you want to your lettuce wrap. You can make it like a taco if you want. You can add cheese. I add cheese. You can add any type of cheese you want. If you want to add tomatoes or corn or anything you like. I add mozzarella and cheddar. And then after I add my cheese, I roll it up. So it ends up kind of looking like this. You make a few of those. You probably have to make 1 or 2 stops to do your lettuce wrap. Keep going until you get enough of the lettuce. Rice, lettuce, and cheese. Alright. I'm going to put it on my plate over here. And then there you go. I hope this makes you hungry and you want to try this recipe. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching again. Bye.